Hi everyone, this is a very casual, easy kind of braided chignon. Divide the hair into two, braid the hair down, just a simple 3-strand braid. Then I crisscross it through, see, there we go, I pull the hair around and I pull the braid through before I start braiding the opposite side. And this way I get a braid coming from inside the other braid. For the full tutorial on this, please check out my Access All Area Members Club. This is such a pretty hairstyle and one you can definitely add into your collection.